well. Looks like my rear shock showed up. Nice. Let's take a peek. Try not to cut myself. These are my back ones. Same company, Homemade Eagle, but a little longer. Plastic here too. These.
And try and get this thing at least set into position where it needs to be. Maybe get the bottom plates on and maybe a shock mounted. I can't bolt it up too solid because I still gotta know where the transmission is gonna be. So this 4 9-inch housing is for a Ford Bronco with a spring over application. That's why the perches are up here. I'm doing spring under. So I got these purchased from Rough Stuff. I have to cut them off because they're a little bit long because they're designed for a spring over. So get this thing centered up. So that's roughly the angle it's going to be at. These U-bolts on there. Be good to go. All right, everything's finger tight, shock on. I've already checked for my downward and my upward travel to drill this hole. All the way through both sides. I don't know if you can see the other side or not. Probably not. Yeah.
And that's that. One more shock on. 2 more to go. Getting there.